Dami pa rin nagtatanong sa akin ba't daw laging ban si Lunok sa ranking pag nasa mythic up ka na. Putik nakita niyo ba yung damage ng tropa? Napakasakit, di ba? Tapos sa pamdahilan tropa, sobrang bilis siya si magpalit dark to light, then vice versa light to dark. Kaya mas mahirap siyang mahuli. Kasi nga yung light niya, di ba, lumulubog siya. Hindi siya matatabla ng sisira pag nakalubog siya. Tapos sobrang sakit pa ng damage nun. Ito, panoorin niya tong gameplay na to, tropa. Sobrang sakit talaga ng Lunox, kaya laging nababan eh. Kaya pag na-open, i-pick nyo na. Kung di nyo pa alam gamitin, practice nyo na, tropa, para pag na-open, ma-maximize yung magamit ng mabuti.
Team destroyed a turret. Head in gold. Your team destroyed a turret. Monster kill. Ally has been launched. An attack and slain. Double kill. Launch attack. Shut down. Initiate retreat. Shut down. Godlike. Double kill. Wiped out. Good game. Why does the violence never end? Attack the Lord. Ha! Legendary. Double kill. Ready. Initiate retreat has been slain. Launch attack. Your team destroyed the turret. Legendary. Ha! Launch attack. Ha! Oh, not ready. Why does the violence never end? Launch attack! Legendary! Initiate retreat! Launch attack! Your team destroyed the turret. Launch attack! Victory!